Hello students, good morning to all of you. The day before tomorrow, I have taught you models. Now I am going to tell you the rest of models. Our next model is must. Must. Use of must. Use of must. Must is used to express the sense of their necessity, compulsion, obligation, duty, determination, strong advice, etc. Dear students, I have told you use of must is used to express the sense of dire necessity, compulsion, obligation, duty, determination, strong advice, etc. For example, go to school regularly. This sentence shows the sense of compulsion. So in this sentence we use must. We attack the enemy before the day break. This sentence shows the sense of determination. So in this sentence we use must. We obey the rules of the road. This sentence shows the sense of moral duty or obligation, duty or obligation. So in this sentence we use must. You have completed the work by now. So this sentence shows the sense of strong advice. So in this sentence we use must. We serve our country. This sentence also shows the sense of duty or obligation. So in this sentence we use must. You consult a doctor. You consult a doctor. So this sentence also shows the sense of strong advice. So in this sentence we use must. Dear students, I have told you the first rule of must. Now I am going to tell you the second rule of must. Dear students, we use must not. Dear students, we use must not to express the sense of we use must not to express the sense of prohibition. Prohibition. For example, children play on the road. This sentence shows the sense of prohibition. So, in this sentence, we use must. You enter into the ladies' toilet. This sentence also shows the sense of prohibition. So, we use here must not. Must not. Must not. We touch electricity. We touch electricity. This sentence also shows the sense of prohibition. So, in this sentence, we use must. No. No. These are some rules of must. Now I am going to tell you the next model, should. Should. Use of should. Use of should. Should is used to express the sense of should is used to express the sense of advice, suggestion, suggestion, assumption, duty, etc. etc. Should is used to express the sense of advice, suggestion, assumption, duty, etc. For example, we brush our teeth daily. This sentence shows the sense of suggestion. So, in this sentence, we use should. Help the poor and needy. We help the poor and needy. So, this sentence shows the sense of advice. So, in this sentence, we use should. she have reached Kanpur by now. This sentence shows the sense of assumption. So in this sentence we use should. Obey our teachers. It is our moral duty. So this sentence shows the sense of moral duty. So in this sentence we also use should. Now I am going to tell you the second rule of should. It is most important. If there is less in a sentence, then we use should. For example, work hard or work hard lest you fail again. So in this sentence, here is given list next. So in this sentence we use should. This sentence also shows the sense of purpose. So in this sentence we use lest. Should run fast. You miss the train. This sentence also shows the sense of purpose. So in this sentence we use here should. Now I am going to teach you the next model, ought to. Ought to use of ought to. We can use ought to in the place of should. Ought to is always used in the place of should. So ought to express the sense of moral or social duty, advice, suggestion, it etc. For example, you to consult a doctor. This sentence shows the sense of advice. So in this sentence we use here to is already given, so we only use ought. If here to is not given, then we always use must, not, ought to. To obey our parents. This sentence shows the sense of moral duty. So in this sentence 2 is already given. So in this sentence we use ought. We to serve our country. This sentence also shows the sense of duty or social duty. So in this sentence we use ought to. So we can say that ought to is used in the place of a should. So ought to, if we fill ought to, then there we must see that if the blanks there is given to, then we always use a ought. Thanks. Have a nice day.